Holy. Whoa, okay.
Good.
Okay.
Nice. Just hold. Good.
That was crazy.
And then press your elbow back into my arm. Good. Got it. Perfect.
That was nice.
Perfect. There we go. That was a good one. All right, how you feeling?
Really good.
Good?
Yeah, new woman.
You like it? This is
Yeah.
the first time getting adjusted, right?
Yeah.
So, not
Crazy.
bad.
Do it, everybody.